What if I told you that the affiliate marketers making six figures this year aren't working harder than you? They're just leveraging AI in ways most people haven't discovered yet. The affiliate marketing game has completely transformed in 2025, and those still using outdated methods are being left behind. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how AI is creating a new breed of super affiliates who are dominating niches with minimal effort, and how one specific tool is changing everything for everyday marketers. Affiliate marketing has always been about connecting the right products with the right audience, but the challenge has always been traffic, getting enough eyeballs on your affiliate links to generate meaningful commissions. Traditional methods like creating review sites, comparison articles, and tutorial content still work, but they've become increasingly competitive and time consuming. Writing detailed product reviews for dozens of products across multiple categories used to take weeks or even months. This is where AI is creating a massive competitive advantage. Smart affiliate marketers are now using AI to research profitable niches, analyze competitor strategies, create content that actually ranks, and optimize conversion rates, all in a fraction of the time it used to take. The most successful affiliates aren't replacing their expertise with AI, they're amplifying it. They're focusing on strategy and product selection while letting AI handle the execution and optimization. Let me show you a real-world example of how this works. Vume.ai is transforming how affiliate marketers approach content creation and SEO. Unlike generic AI writing tools, vume.ai specifically understands how to create content that ranks in search engines and drives affiliate conversions. Here's how it works. The system analyzes top-performing affiliate content in your chosen niche, identifies gaps and opportunities, then creates comprehensive content that naturally incorporates your affiliate products in ways that convert. The typical affiliate marketer might spend 2 weeks creating a single in-depth product comparison. With vume.ai, it's possible to create multiple affiliate-optimized articles per week while focusing energy on testing products and building relationships with brands for better commission rates. The system handles everything from keyword research to creating compelling call-to-action sections that actually drive clicks. It even optimizes technical SEO elements like schema markup and internal linking, crucial factors for rankings that most affiliates overlook. What makes this approach so powerful is that vume.ai learns your affiliate strategy over time. It understands which products convert best for your audience and automatically emphasizes those in future content. The affiliate marketers who are thriving right now aren't the ones with the biggest teams or budgets. They're the ones who've embraced AI as their competitive advantage. They've shifted from being content creators to strategic affiliate marketers who let AI handle the heavy lifting. The beauty of tools like vume.ai is that they level the playing field. You don't need to be a technical SEO expert or have a team of writers to compete with established affiliate sites. You just need to focus on selecting the right products and understanding your audience while letting AI handle the execution. If you're still creating affiliate content the old way, you're working too hard for too little return. It's time to work smarter, not harder. The future of affiliate marketing belongs to those who embrace these new AI tools today.